Hello dear students, today in this lecture we discuss about electrophilic substitution reactions of halogens. In last lecture we discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions of halogens. Now see, when this halogen is attached to benzene ring, it exerts plus R effect rather than minus I effect. Due to minus I effect of halogen, it is slightly deactivating. It deactivates benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. But due to this lone pair, since these lone pair electrons on halogen are in conjugation with pi electrons of benzene ring, hence due to this lone pair, there is plus R effect in benzene ring. This halogen donates this lone pair electron to benzene ring, due to which it exerts plus R effect, and due to this plus R effect, the ortho position, para positions, the ortho and para positions of halogens are electron rich, and hence during electrophilic attack, the electrophilic attack takes place at ortho or para positions, because these ortho and para positions are electron rich. Since here negative charge on ortho position, para position again on second ortho position. Hence when we carry electrophilic reaction, the electrophilic attack takes place at ortho and para positions of benzene ring. Okay. Since here I write down, since more electron density at ortho and para positions, hence chlorobenzene is ortho para directing. Here I take example of chlorobenzene. From halogens we take example of chlorobenzene here. Now see first electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation. Since when chlorination of chlorobenzene is carried out in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, that is Lewis acid catalyst, then this mixture of chlorine and AlCl3 from chloronium ion electrophile, and formation of this complex takes place. Since AlCl3 is Lewis acid, central atom Al has incomplete octet, that is it has only 6 electron, hence it is Lewis acid, and it accepts this one chlorine ion from Cl2 to form AlCl4 minus complex, and here the octet of aluminum completed and formation of chloronium ion electrophile takes place. Okay, that is when this chlorobenzene treated with this chlorine molecule, this chloronium ion attacks on ortho position to give 1,2-dichlorobenzene, and in second product it attack on para position, because para position is also electron rich. We see here in resonance effect. Okay, and we get 4-chloro or 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Common name ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. IUPAC name, here I write down IUPAC names, 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Now second electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. Since what happen in nitration, we take nitrating mixture. When we treat halogens with nitrating mixture, it is a mixture of nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Formation of this nitro electrophile takes place, NO2 plus formation takes place. It is electrophilic group NO2 plus. Then we know that the ortho and para positions of this chlorobenzene are electron rich, hence this nitro electrophile or nitro group attack on ortho position to give orthochloronitrobenzene, and second product is para-chloronitrobenzene, or IUPAC names 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene or 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. Okay, since in both reactions, in last reaction also, ortho product is minor because there is crowding, both bulky groups are near to each other, hence this product is minor, ortho product is minor, and para product is major because here much distance between these two functional groups, hence para product is major. Here this product is stable, hence it obtained in major amount. This product is unstable because here two bulky groups are near to each other. Okay, here there is much distance between these two bulky groups, hence this product is stable, hence it is obtained in a major quantity, hence it is a major product and it is a minor product. Okay, third electrophilic reaction is sulfonation. When we carry sulfonation of halogens, again we get here two products, ortho chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, that is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, it is minor product, and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, it is a major product, and side product H2O in both nitration as well as in sulfonation. Okay, since what happened, H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, it has two parts, OH minus and SO3H plus. That is, this electrophilic group is known as sulfonic acid group. Okay, when we treat this chlorobenzene molecule with sulfuric acid, then electrophilic group, that is sulfonic acid group, attack on ortho position and para positions of chlorobenzene, and we get two products. Here, to balance this reaction, we take two molecules of haloarines in all reactions. Okay, in nitration also, in halogenation also, here we take two chlorobenzene molecules to balance this reaction, because we get two products. One product is ortho substituted chlorobenzene and another product is para substituted chlorobenzene. Okay, now we discuss about sulfonation reaction. When this chlorobenzene treated with sulfuric acid, when chlorobenzene treated with sulfuric acid, then this electrophilic group, that is sulfonic acid group, attack on ortho position as well as on para position to give two different products. One product is ortho substituted product and second product is para substituted product. Here I write down IUPAC name. It is principal functional group in that molecule, in that compound, is sulfonic acid. Hence we give name on the basis of that principal functional group, and it has name benzene sulfonic acid, and chlorine is substituent, hence its IUPAC name become 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, and for para product we get IUPAC name 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. It is a major, it is minor. Reason we know, here crowding takes place, hence it is unstable, hence it obtained in minor amount. It is a stable product because here there is much distance between these two bulky functional groups, hence this product is major, obtained in major amount. Okay, next electrophilic substitution reaction we have to discuss here. Friedel-Crafts reaction. We know that there are two types in Friedel-Crafts reaction: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. First we discuss about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Since when we treat haloarines with alkyl halides, when we treat chlorobenzene with alkyl halide, here we take example of methyl chloride. Here we take which alkyl halide? Methyl chloride or chloromethane. To balance this reaction, here I take two molecules of chlorobenzene and two molecules of methyl chloride, because we know that in that reaction, alkylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, when we treat alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid catalyst, then this Lewis acid catalyst is electron withdrawing. It makes two part of these alkyl halides. One part is electrophilic part and one part is complex ion AlCl4 minus. That is, this AlCl3 is Lewis acid. It withdraws electron density from this alkyl halide to make this complex AlCl4 minus, and the CH3 plus, that is electrophilic part, is separated, and that electrophile attacks on ortho position and para positions of chlorobenzene to give mixture of two products. First product is 2-chlorotoluene and second product is 4-chlorotoluene. Again here para product is major, we know reason for that. Okay, and HCl is side product, because these two Cl minus ions combine with hydrogens of ortho and para positions of 2-chlorobenzene molecules to give 2 HCl side product, and major products are orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. Among that two products, para substituted product is major because this product is stable due to much distance between that two functional group, alkyl group and chloro group. Okay, now second Friedel-Crafts reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Second Friedel-Crafts reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. In acylation, we treat acyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid with aryl halide to give mixture of two acyl substituted haloarines, that is chlorobenzene. Since here we treat chlorobenzene with acetyl chloride, 2-chlorobenzene molecules with 2 acetyl chloride molecules in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 molecule. This anhydrous AlCl3 is Lewis acid catalyst, which makes two part of this acyl chloride molecules, that is one part is electrophilic part and one part is complex ion of this AlCl3. This AlCl3 abstract electron from this acid chloride molecule to form complex AlCl4, which is in which aluminum has completed octet, and formation of electrophilic group takes place. This electrophilic group attacks on ortho and para positions of chlorobenzene to give mixture of two products, 2-chloroacetophenone, it is a minor product, and 4-chloroacetophenone, it is a major product. In this way, here we discuss about Friedel-Crafts reaction. First we discuss about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here we get two products, para-chlorotoluene and orthochlorotoluene. Para product is major. And in second case, we treat haloarenes with acid chloride or acyl chloride. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Here we also get two products. One product is orthochloroacetophenone and para-chloroacetophenone. Para product is major because we know reason. Here there is much distance between these two functional groups, hence this product is stable, hence it is obtained in major extent. Okay, now last, electrophilic substitution reaction or reaction of haloarine is reaction with metals. Since when these haloarenes reacted with metals, only one reaction there is, Woods reaction or Woods-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. In Woods reaction, we treat two alkyl halide molecules with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to get higher alkanes. Okay, in Woods reaction, we treat two alkyl halide molecules with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent to get higher alkanes. But when we treat one alkyl halide molecule and one aryl halide molecule with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then we get alkyl benzene product. This reaction is called as Woods-Fittig reaction. Okay, we discuss about Woods-Fittig reaction. Here we take one molecule of alkyl halide and one molecule of aryl halide. When these two molecules, one is alkyl halide and one is aryl halide, when they treat with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then we get alkyl benzene product. Here, since we take methyl chloride, one molecule of methyl chloride and one molecule of chlorobenzene with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then there is a formation of this alkyl benzene molecule takes place. This alkyl benzene molecule is methyl benzene or its special name is toluene. Okay, and side product 2NaCl. Since here this condensation takes place, chlorine of aryl group and chlorine of alkyl group combine with that two sodium metal atoms to give side product twice NaCl. Okay, in this way, this is Woods-Fittig reaction. And simply in Fittig reaction, we take both molecules of aryl halide. Since here 2-chlorobenzene molecule, when treated with these two sodium metal atoms in presence of dry ether solvent, then we get biphenyl compound. That is, here two benzene rings are attached to each other. Okay, directly. Both molecules are aryl halide. Since this reaction is Fittig reaction, if we take one molecule of alkyl halide and one molecule of aryl halide with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then this reaction is called as Woods-Fittig reaction. And if we take both the molecules of alkyl halide and treat them with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, then we get higher alkanes. That reaction is called as Woods reaction. Okay, in this way, here we completed electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes.